Whoa.
All the way down. Guys, head down that way. Watch step, everybody. Watch step. Just slide all the way down. Watch step.
Hurry up, Caleb.
So you wear it. No. You wear it. I do. Come on.
Watch that, guys. Slide all the way down.
But you're gonna have to put my. No, honey, you're putting the bag underneath me. Get on.
Right there.
Come on, Tom. Get it on.
Other guys, have your final seatbelt check. Make sure you are buckling quickly. We have about 20 seconds left before we leave.
You're not going to wear it? Oh.
When you buckle those seatbelts, we have about 10, 15 seconds.
Is he buckled in?
Yes. Seatbelt on. I'm getting it. Thank you. Right here. Buckle up.
Thank you. Pat, you have to put this under the right over there.
There's some rough water ahead for the first.
Sorry. Come on your way.
Oh, here it is. I got it. Tom, let me just tell you, tuck this in around your bum. That's where you're going to get wet. Sit up and tuck it in.
Yeah, boats are gonna get wet.
Oh, well. Now, you're going to have to, buckle up. Pat, pull that up. You're going to cover this. Or should Dad do it?
I just hold it.
Okay.
Let's just look. Let me tell you. Here, lift your bum up. Lift your bum up.
What'd he say?
That is so funny, Mom.
Uh-oh, here we go. Woo! See, laughing too soon over there.
What did you say? Oh, there's one they're our house now. They made stuff all. Yeah.
All right, Whitewater. Whitewater coming up.
That is such a fun time.
You guys have been to Pittsburgh? Or?
They're from Ohio.
Oh, from Ohio. Okay. Where are you from in Ohio?
Uh-oh.
Columbus. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a nice town.
All right, yeah, spin them around, spin them around.
Tom, look at that. Look at the mountain in the background.
Cover that so it's not all wet. You might, or should he cover it?
I'll just hold it up. It's not going to get wet.
Okay.
I won't let it get wet.
Unless the entire thing they never listen.
Is this the drop?
There's no drop.
This is it.
Oh, geez, look at this.
Remember bacon got soaked?
Good job.
Again!
Did you get wet, Mom?
Yeah, but it feels great.
All right, good.
Woo!
again.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
Yeah, right. You're not going to get wet.
Yeah, I got a little wet, but it didn't get soaking wet.
I mean, it's like snow.
No, not yet. What? They're not wet yet.
Nice stuff, Florida. Well, you really got it.
Oh, incoming, brace.
Thanks, Mom.